In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect to an Airtable field after a form submission with the miniExtensions form. So what we have here is a table where users can register maybe for some kind of event, and they can select a role that is, in this case, either teacher or student. And then what we want is that when they submit the form, you want to redirect them to a different site depending on which role they selected. So in this case, we just redirect teachers to the Wikipedia page for teachers and students to the student page. But you can use just about anything here. Whatever you can do with the Airtable formula field is what you can use this functionality for. So for example, you could even build this in a much more complex fashion where say you have a form to create a new user for your portal. And then once they submit that form, they create their user record, they then get redirected to their login formula and log straight into the portal with their newly created user. So that would be another a bit more advanced example. But let's look at this simple one for now. So here we have this formula field. It's just a very straightforward formula. If the role is teacher, we take this website, and otherwise we take this website. So let's see how we can use this in miniExtensions. Here I have set up a form, just the name and the role. And then if we go to submission actions here, we can select what happens after a form is submitted or when a form is submitted. So by default, the action after save is just a success message, but we can set this to redirect to URL, or we could also set it to a success message and redirect. For this example, let's just set it to redirect to URL. And here you have the option to either redirect everybody to the same static URL, or we can select an Airtable field to to redirect people to different URLs depending on that formula. So if we select the formula here, and we then open the form to create a record, let's just say John, who is a student, and then we hit submit, we're going to be redirected to the student page on Wikipedia. So as I was saying, there's a lot of possibilities with this feature. So feel free to experiment and play around with this. And if you have any questions or need any assistance in setting this up, feel free to let us know. We'd be happy to help.